Most people get this wrong when looking at cash advance apps. They see a quick way to borrow money and assume all apps work the same. But here's the truth no one tells you. Some apps are designed to help with short-term cash flow, while others can come with limitations that catch users by surprise. In this video, we're reviewing FloatMe in 2026 to find out if it's legit, how it works, what it costs, and whether it's actually worth using. By the end, you'll know if FloatMe is a smart option for your situation, or if you should look elsewhere. Let's get straight to the answer. Yes, FloatMe is a legitimate financial app that provides small cash advances to eligible users. It's designed to help people cover short-term expenses before payday. The app connects to your bank account, analyzes your financial activity, and determines whether you qualify for an advance. For example, let's say Alex gets paid every Friday, but suddenly has a $40 bill due on Wednesday. Instead of paying an overdraft fee, Alex may be able to request a small advance through FloatMe if he meets the eligibility requirements. But here's the problem. Many people think they'll instantly qualify for large amounts of money. That's not how FloatMe works. FloatMe is generally focused on smaller advances, and eligibility depends on factors like account history, income patterns, and account activity. Now here's where it gets interesting. FloatMe isn't just about cash advances. The app also includes budgeting tools and spending insights designed to help users better manage their finances. For some people, these features are actually more valuable than the advance itself. This is where most people fail. They download the app without understanding the costs and requirements. While FloatMe may have a membership fee depending on the plan and services offered, users should always review current pricing and terms inside the app before signing up. Financial apps can update features and fees over time. In a minute, I'll show you the type of user who benefits most from FloatMe. If you're someone who occasionally needs a small amount of money to avoid overdraft fees or cover an unexpected expense between paychecks, FloatMe may be useful. However, if you're looking for large loans, long repayment periods, or major financing solutions, FloatMe probably isn't the right fit. Another important point is responsible usage. Cash advance apps should be viewed as short-term tools, not long-term financial solutions. Relying on advances every pay period can create ongoing financial pressure. So, is FloatMe legit in 2026? Yes. It's a real financial app with legitimate services for eligible users. Whether it's worth it depends on your needs, how often you use it, and whether the costs make sense for your situation. The key takeaway is simple. Understand the eligibility rules, review the fees carefully, and use cash advances responsibly. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment sharing your experience with FloatMe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.